Hi, in front of me is VIVO X51 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, open menu and find clock, then open it. Click on alarm and tap on plus icon. Over here you can set up an hour and click OK when you're done. Tap on repeat, select days of the week, tap on vibrate to enable or disable vibrations and tap default to pick your alarm sound. Now go back and choose label. Label your alarm however you want and click OK. When you're done, tap on this icon and now as you can see my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!